When most people hear the word crossbow, they imagine a large medieval hunting weapon or a full-sized modern hunting rig. But the truth is, crossbow technology has shrunk dramatically over the years. And today, we have mini crossbows that deliver incredible firepower in a fraction of the size. These compact designs are no longer just gimmicks, they're real tools for target shooting, small game hunting, and in some cases, even personal defense. In this video, we'll explore 5 of the most deadly and impressive mini crossbows currently available on Amazon. Each one stands out for different reasons, whether it's speed, innovation, design, or versatility. By the end, you'll see that big things really can come in small packages. Number 5. Steambow AR-6 Stinger 2. Let's begin with a model that has become legendary in the compact crossbow community, the Steambow AR-6 Stinger 2. At first glance, it almost looks like a weapon pulled straight from a cyberpunk video game. But this is very much a real-world tactical crossbow. Unlike traditional crossbows that often demand 2 hands and plenty of strength, the Stinger 2 is so lightweight and well-balanced that it can be operated comfortably with just 1 hand. That makes it not only easier to maneuver, but also faster to aim in dynamic situations. Its defining feature is the 6-round magazine. Instead of firing a single bolt and then taking time to reload, you can unleash multiple shots back-to-back, keeping the pressure on your target. Each bolt travels at up to 220 feet per second, producing about 15 foot-pounds of energy, more than enough for accurate target shooting and even small game hunting. Other details include an adjustable stock that lets you tailor the fit for stability, and a fiber optic front sight that glows in ambient light, improving accuracy even at dusk or dawn. Together, these features create a crossbow that's compact, versatile, and surprisingly powerful. If you're looking for a mini crossbow that blends futuristic design with practical usability, the Stinger 2 is an excellent place to start. Number 4. Bista Bat Reverse Draw Pistol Crossbow. If innovation excites you, then the Bista Bat Reverse Draw Pistol Crossbow will grab your attention. Instead of using a traditional limb orientation, this design employs a reverse draw system, which increases both efficiency and power in a much smaller frame. On paper, the numbers sound intense, a 150-pound draw weight. But here's where the design really shines. Thanks to its integrated pulley cocking system, the effort required drops to just 50 pounds. That means the raw performance of a heavy crossbow is now accessible to more shooters without the exhausting cocking process. Once armed, this pistol crossbow delivers speeds that rival some full-length crossbows, giving it a serious edge in the compact category. It also includes Picatinny rails for attaching optics, lasers, or flashlights, and a folding foregrip for enhanced control. One of the most practical benefits is its size. Despite its power, the Bista Bat can be stored in something as common as a 30-liter backpack, making it incredibly portable. Whether you're hiking, camping, or just heading to the range, you can carry serious power without drawing too much attention. Number 3. WT Mini Striker. Now let's talk about raw performance. The WT Mini Striker is one of the fastest and most compact mini crossbows on the market, and it's earned a reputation as a giant killer in a small body. This compact powerhouse fires bolts at a blistering 330 feet per second, and its penetrating ability is remarkable. It can drive bolts up to 4 inches deep into half-inch plywood. That kind of stopping power is usually reserved for much larger bows. Despite its performance, the Mini Striker is built for portability. Its limbs measure only 5 inches wide when cocked, giving it a profile slimmer than most people's outstretched hands. The aluminum construction keeps it durable yet lightweight, making it easy to carry and aim, even in confined spaces like a tree stand or ground blind. To make things even better, the Striker comes with an integrated crank system that reduces the heavy 120-pound draw weight down to a manageable 40 pounds. That means you can enjoy professional-level performance without straining your muscles. With its adjustable foregrip and a 22mm Picatinny rail ready for scopes or red dots, this crossbow proves that compact size doesn't mean compromise. Number 2. FX Ranchero Aero PCP Pistol. Moving into more innovative territory, we have the FX Ranchero Aero PCP pistol, which is truly a hybrid between airgun engineering and crossbow functionality. Rather than relying on limbs for power, this weapon uses a pre-charged pneumatic PCP system, essentially combining the precision of an air pistol with the impact of an arrow launcher. The result is smooth, consistent performance, firing bolts at around 240 feet per second. The ergonomics are excellent. The custom grip feels natural in the hand, while the match-grade trigger breaks cleanly, enhancing accuracy with every shot. What really makes this pistol shine is its versatility. It comes with 230-grain bolts, but you can swap out different tips depending on the type of game you're after or the shooting scenario. With an effective hunting range of up to 30 yards, it's not just a range toy. It's a serious tool for hunters who want something different from the usual crossbow or firearm. In short, the Ranchero is proof that mini crossbows don't all have to follow the same formula. Sometimes, innovation is the secret weapon. Number 1. EK Cobra Siege 300. Closing out our list is the EK Cobra Siege 300, a crossbow that takes the concept of rapid reloading to the next level. Building on the success of the original R9 design, the Siege 300 introduces a self-cocking mechanism that makes loading not only faster, but also far more convenient. This crossbow fires a 283-grain bolt at speeds of up to 300 feet per second, giving it more than enough punch for hunting small to medium game. But what makes it stand out is its ability to deliver quick follow-up shots, something that can make or break a hunting trip. Compact dimensions also play a huge role here. At just under 11 inches axle to axle when uncocked, it's nimble and maneuverable, perfect for tight blinds or dense woods. The full package often includes everything you need to get started: a scope for accuracy, AR-style stock for comfort, quick detach quiver, bipod, and carbon bolts. This is one of those rare models where you don't have to buy extra gear separately. Right out of the box, the Siege 300 is ready for action. If you want a balance of speed, accuracy, and practical usability, this mini crossbow delivers on every front. Mini crossbows may look small and even toy-like to the untrained eye, but as we've seen, they're far from harmless gadgets. From the multi-shot Stinger 2 to the airgun-inspired Ranchero and the versatile Cobra Siege 300, these weapons combine portability with power in ways that can genuinely surprise you. Whether you're a backyard plinker, a hunter looking for an edge, or simply someone who appreciates innovative engineering, each of these models offers something special. And the best part? They're all available on Amazon, just a click away. So, which of these compact powerhouses would you choose for your collection? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think.